So I'm at the InterContinental Chiang Mai Ping, and I'm in one of the premium rooms. So I'm just gonna give you a little tour of my room. So the first thing you see when you come in is this little entrance hall area, and there is a little semi-hidden door, and it's where you've got the ironing board, torch, space for your luggage if you need it. And it's just next to your minibar area with your espresso coffee pods, machine. So yeah, you've got your actual minibar with your glassware. Pretty decent selection. And then some more glassware. And then this side is your cold drinks, chocolates, etc. And then you've got your little seating area, which is next to the bed. Let's have a look outside. It's already a very warm day. So this is the bed area. There's some international plugs. And a little cubby for your remote. And a phone charger. If you just step to the back, it's a little workstation with lots of space. And your dressing area with lots of drawers at the bottom, some slippers, scales, laundry, etc. And then you've got this mirrored cupboard with your safe, hairdryer, some more storage. Lots of space for hanging your clothes and fluffy bathrobes. And then in your bathroom, it's a nice full bath. It's the standard InterContinental amenities kit. It's a bit hard to open with one hand. So we've got a vanity kit, sanitary bag, and shower cap. And then you've got your toiletries. Which are from Gason Sarape. And the shower is a rain shower. And then it's a sliding door to the toilet. There we go. And that's it. One of the premium rooms.
Subscribe to Culture Explorer to see the latest videos.